Hi, Legal Funnel members. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Monday. All right, so I wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know about our Legal Funnel programs. We've been getting a lot of questions about exactly what is Legal Funnel and share with you guys our mission and what we've been doing up to this point. If you guys join in, just please give a like and comments. I know you guys are here. And then for most of you guys watch this after these videos get posted. We have 875 members inside of our Facebook group. It's been so nice to engage with every single one of you guys, and I've been trying to focus on try to add as much value to you guys. On last Thursday and Friday, we did 2 website breakdowns. On Thursdays, we broke down Marco's website, who's an estate planning lawyer. If you guys haven't caught that, just go into our Facebook group and find the video there. If you want the direct link for that, just comment estate planning website breakdown, and I'll send you guys the link for that. And on Thursday, we broke down Eric's website, who's a bankruptcy lawyer. A lot of value. It was a 30 to 40 minute videos, and we've been getting some good comments and good feedback about those 2 videos. If you guys are interested in more of those videos, and if you want your website, if you want me to review your website and sit down with you, just comment, and I will get you guys in so I could do that for you guys. All right, so Legal Funnel, what is it? So as I shared with you guys, our mission at Legal Funnel is to help 1,000 lawyers create and grow their own virtual law firm. And in the past couple of months, there's some things that I've learned throughout this process that I want to share with you guys. So our main flagship program is Legal Funnel Mastery, where we coach lawyers how to create their own virtual law firm, the same way that I've been able to grow multiple law firms for myself, 7 figures. Actually, that was for Mollaei Law, my own law firm, and I left it there on purpose there because I know I'm gonna have 2 more coming up the next couple of months. One will be for Legal Funnel, and the other one will be for another virtual law firm that I started 2 years ago that's gonna reach $1 million in sales, all through the use of sales funnels. Once I received this first 2 Comma Club award from ClickFunnels, that was a turning point for me to be able to go and reach other lawyers and teach other lawyers to do the same, to use sales funnels to generate clients for themselves, for their own law firm. These principles I learned from 5 years ago. I got exposed to. I started my own law firm about now almost 6 years. A year into my journey, I got exposed to ClickFunnels and sales funnels. And I started using these sales funnels to be able to generate clients, generate legal clients for my law firm, and it works. And at the time when I started applying them, there was really no one else that was really applying it. And for the first 4 years, I was pretty much in the trenches, just using these systems to be able to generate clients. And ever since I got this award earlier in the year, I've been on a journey to help other lawyers to do the same. These principles and things that I share inside of Legal Funnel are not going away. Everything about, using Zoom, having virtual meetings, all that stuff I was doing for 5 years. Even, before the pandemic, I was doing already using all these tools to be able to run a completely virtual law firm. And now because of the pandemic, they've been even more necessary to be able to, run your law firm completely remotely, not being tied to any physical office location or physical time. And I think it's just a matter of time where you just have to be able to learn and apply these concepts. And the sooner that you do, the better for yourself, because competition will get tougher and it will get more and more saturated. So you want to be able to apply these. I know we're in 2020. You wish that you learned this and apply these right away before we get to 2021 and 2022 and beyond, where we get more and more saturated. So what are the Legal Funnel programs? And let me share that with you guys. Let me pull it up. All right, so here it is. The Legal Funnel programs. The first one is Legal Funnel Accelerator. This is our course that basically allows you to grow your own virtual law firm and scale to 6 figures quickly with focus and predictable client attraction and conversion. This is pretty much the recorded version of my program. There's 6 modules where systematically teach you about, again, how to generate clients online, how to run a completely automated virtual and scalable virtual law firm, how to hire VAs so you can delegate your work, how to get reviews, and pretty much anything that will help you grow your virtual law firm. There's a lot of things that I share inside the program that I don't share anywhere else. That will be shared inside of the Accelerator program. Our main program, Legal Funnel Mastery, is the same thing plus weekly live Q&A calls and weekly coaching to make sure that you're held accountable. Make sure you're staying on track. Okay, so this will be done in a group setting. It's been very successful. This has been, this 5 sessions that I've been able to teach has been this Legal Funnel Mastery, this live program. And then we also added Legal Funnel Platinum. We already had 2 members who joined. And that was Eric and Marco, who that I did the website breakdown. They're part of the Legal Funnel Platinum program, where I do a little bit more one-on-one sessions, where I basically I provide more value to them, a little bit more closer and higher service to those people who join Platinum. Again, any of my secrets and things that I apply for myself, I reveal it to all of our students. So again, Legal Funnel Accelerator, Legal Funnel Mastery, and Legal Funnel Platinum. These are basically the ways that you're able to help grow your law firm. I have learned throughout this process that doing done for you, or building out these funnels for other lawyers, is not sustainable. It's not scalable. The reason it's not is it's very hard. There's a lot of moving pieces to growing out these funnels. And in order, my big mission is to be able to empower 1,000 lawyers to be able to grow their own law firm, and I'll have a much better chance of success of doing that by helping you guys be able to do that for yourselves. If I try to handle 1,000 different attorneys who, I need to be able to create their funnels, I know it's not going to end well. We had in our first couple of clients that we had, again, a lot of back and forth. We had to get we had to get the attorneys to follow along, and we had to take that and then put it inside the funnels. And there was a lot of back and forth that it would work out a lot better if I give you guys those instructions, and I may pretty much provide that guidance for you guys to be able to do that for yourselves. And I think that will empower, again, more people to be able to grow their own virtual law firm instead of me trying to take it on myself and my team. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of back and forth that I think it will be a lot more scalable and a lot more sustainable if I'd be able to do that with you guys through live coaching and through empowering you guys to go do that for yourselves. So that's why we have Legal Funnel Accelerator and the Mastery and the Platinum. And most of it is done through, again, courses and through coaching. That way you guys could use that to be able to grow your own virtual law firms. If any, it was a pleasure. Yeah, if you guys come in and you guys have any questions about exactly what the program is, please post it below. Let me also share with you guys some questions that we get asked all the time. So let me share that. All right, so the questions that we get all the time from Legal Funnel is, can I have an assistant attend for me? Yes. If you have an assistant or somebody in your firm who's maybe the marketing person or your younger person or somebody who's a little bit more savvy when it comes to this stuff, then yes, you could enroll them to the program. It doesn't just have to be you, which is, I think, for a lot of you guys that are very busy to to be able to implement these things for your own law firm. Instead, if you get this program for somebody in your team, they could go through their program and apply it. I think that's actually might be a very smart idea for a lot of you guys that are really busy. And yes, you can have an assistant. You don't have to be the one that takes the program. So have that in mind. Next question is, how can I fail in this program? You can only fail if your mindset isn't right. If you're not willing to put in the effort to and stay focused on all the instructions that I'll be giving you. Everything is laid out for you. I laid out very structured. I'm very organized with everything that I teach. I will make sure that you will implement it, but it really comes down to your mindset and how much you're willing to stay focused and stay on track. So everything is there. It just really comes down to you. Next question is, what reoccurring costs will I need to invest to make this work? So there's only a couple of online tools that are necessary in order for you to make this work. One of them is ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month. Which is, trust me, it's well worth it to have a ClickFunnels account to be able to do this. The reason why I recommend ClickFunnels over any other tool, first of all, it's the most versatile, it's the most robust, it's the most popular. It's very easy to be able to share funnels. So any of the funnels that have worked for me, I'll be able to pass that on to you. And it's just much better. And there's a very good community that comes along with it. That's $97 a month. It's well worth it. Even if one of your funnels ends up working, it will pay for itself and some. Other costs that you have to be mindful of is active campaign. I believe it's $10 to $20 a month. I don't think any more than that. And there's some other tools. Basically, it will add up to about $140, $150 a month max. But I promise you, once you get your funnel up and once you start generating your own leads and your own clients from it, it will pay for itself times 100. How much time commitment is needed a week? I would say 2 to 3 hours a week. So if you cannot dedicate out of a 40 to 60 hour work weeks that you guys work, if you guys cannot dedicate 2 to 3 hours to be able to invest in your future and to help to use this to be able to grow your own law firm, you're not going to get anywhere. So it's 2 to 3 hours a week for you to be able to invest in this program to make sure that you get the results that you need. Do I need to have any technical knowledge? The answer is straight up no. You do not need to have any technical knowledge to be able to do this. I make everything as easy as possible for you. I give you guys the tools. I just there was one particular part that was a little bit technical. Even that part, I've been able to hire a virtual admin to take care of that for you. Okay, so the only technical part again that you need to do to take that off your hands. Everything else is non-technical. I give you guys templates. I give you guys things, placeholders, things that you be able to fill out for yourself so that it's as minimal technical skill requirement as necessary. Will it work for my area of law? And the answer is yes. Legal funnel and funnels, sales funnels work for any type of law. And whenever I talk about funnels, it's not just about the pages that you see. It's a mindset. It's an understanding of how to take somebody who doesn't know you and how do you get them to take action, which is basically how do you get them to hire you. That's what legal funnel is about. That's what a funnel is. So even it doesn't matter if you're in personal injury or employment or estate planning, whatever it is, once you understand how to take somebody who doesn't know you to get them to hire you, then you'll be able to apply for any type of law. And I remember I had the same objections myself when I started 5 years ago. I'm like, I remember seeing funnels work for like products and other service professionals. And I'm like, I didn't see any lawyers, applying these funnels. I'm like, how can I make this work? This probably doesn't work for law. And I basically had a breakthrough that no, it does work. Sales funnels work for any type of law. It doesn't matter if people have problem and there's people that exist out in the real world and you can help solve their problem for them, then sales funnel is just a structured way to be able to get people to basically end up hiring you. So sales funnels work for any type of law. Next question we get is, will I own the funnel? Yes, you absolutely own your own funnel. That way you're not, you don't have a marketing company owning you. You own everything. I give you guys a funnel, your optimized funnels. These funnels have proven to work for my own law firms, and that within 2 clicks, be able to import into your own ClickFunnels account. You own these funnels. You be able to, if it's always better to own the equity, to own whatever it is that you're working on. It's always better to own a home for the most part than to lease out or rent an apartment. So you guys will own everything. That way, you're not held hostage by marketing companies, which is something that a lot of marketing companies do. When does the program start? It starts on November 3rd, session 5. We already had 82 lawyers go through the program. Again, if you're interested in legal funnel, all you have to do is go to legalfunnel.com/video. Let me give you guys that legalfunnel.com/video. Let me put that for you guys. Here, go to legalfunnel.com/video. If you haven't applied yet, that's where you'll be able to apply. If you want more details about the program, just go there, fill out the application, and Drew, who's our legal funnel advisor, will provide you guys more details. You will start also seeing our ads in the next couple of weeks on Facebook for this program. If you guys haven't joined, make sure to join. This is for yourselves to invest in your future. All right. If you guys have any questions about the program, just post it below. I'll be happy to answer throughout the rest of the day. I'll go ahead and there were some comments and things inside of our other posts that I'll go ahead and answer right now. And if you got value from this video and if there's particular topics that you want to hear about, just please post them below. I'll be happy to answer those posts for you. All right. I'll catch you guys soon. Just make sure to go to legalfunnel.com/video to apply. Talk to you guys soon.